Hi, so the first step is to unbox your printer and take it out of the plastic packaging. And once we do that, then we will remove the blue sticker which actually comes with the printer. So we have to do it carefully. So it will go into the ink cartridge chamber. So open the front door and remove it. Now take it out. Also take it out the long one which goes inside. So once we do it, now we'll go ahead and we will insert the power cable at the back side of this printer. So one end will go to the printer's back side and the other end will go to the power supply of your house. Now once it is done, switch on the printer, press the power button. Also load the A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray which is at the rear side, and that is the loading tray. Now we are going to install the SetUp ink cartridges. So you need to cut it out or you can tear off and take the ink cartridges out of the box. Do it carefully, don't cut the ink cartridge chambers part, and also remove the orange seal. Now once we are ready, we open the front chamber as we have seen here, and the ink cartridge chamber will move into the middle. I will show you again. So once you open it, it will move into the middle, and then we have to install the ink cartridges. Now these are the SetUp ink cartridges. These are very important. The printer will be set and it will be ready only with these. So insert the black on the black side and the color on the color side. You just have to push it a little bit inside and hold the printer with the other hand. Now close the door and wait for the printer to print a printer alignment page. So here it's printing the page and we have to scan this page on the top scanner. So open the top scanner lid and place the page facing downwards on the right hand side and click on the copy button. Overall, I can say this printer is really good. It's easy to set up and it's not very costly printer. It's good for the home and office use. It also connects easily with the Wi-Fi system, and you can also use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer known as Wi-Fi Direct. For that you can follow my other videos and you can complete the setup for the wireless setup. Thanks for watching.